Hello everyone, it's Drummer Wing and 46 Productions here today. I got a new Thomas and Friends Adventures. Yep. So bring them in. Not like that. Yeah, I got Charlie. Yeah, I got Charlie. So I went to Walmart and I saw the Superstation, the minis, and I saw Harold. Yeah. See. It says Thomas Percy. I have those two, but I don't have Nia. Anyways, enough talk, and let's get him open. He's dying there. He's suffocating. Ah! Get out! Ah! There he is, the jokester. Oh, there's Charlie. Focus. Focus. There we go. Yep, there's Charlie. Yeah. So his cab, it's so squashed. I mean, I love the adventures. Love these couplings. So no more magnets. But I don't know. I mean, Thomas Wood is completely canceled, but they're making them fully repainted. I mean, Thomas Wood, well, when they first released it, people hated it. And I mean, they hated it. Like, completely. They were just destroying them. People really hated Thomas Wood. So they just destroyed him. Like a lot of them. I can't even count how many people they did it. Like they just destroying it. Actually, I have a Take and Play Charlie. Not the classic one, but the one from the 2013. The one with the wheels like these and the magnet. So yeah, I have two Charlies. Adventures and Take a Play. Happy to have this. Look at the whistle. Can't see the whistle. It's right there. Yeah, so it's cab. And yeah. And rose gold. Yeah, so that's all I have to say. So yeah. This is Drummer Wing and 46 Productions signing off. Bye everyone.